Hey guys, I'm Coach PJ, and today we're going to go through my exercise training priority. So this list is set up so I use this to check any exercises with my athletes. If an athlete's performing an exercise, I make sure I follow this priority guide, and this allows me to know when I need to regress that movement, when I can move forward to a different exercise, or if I need to go back and reteach something to make sure we're getting the most out of that movement. So on this list, number one is posture. That's my first priority. So I want to make sure you have proper postures throughout the entire movement, and you're maintaining whatever that proper posture is, and you're not losing your postural integrity. Number two, joint positions. I want to make sure that all of your joint positions are optimal and are going to keep you safe and performing this movement the most efficiently. So if we're in a squat here, I want to make sure we've got a good posture, upright torso position. I want to make sure that my knee, ankle, and hip are all in a straight line and all tracking on the same path. And I want to make sure that everything, all joints are functioning properly during this entire movement. Number three is range of motion. Optimal range of motion for you as an athlete or you when you're performing these exercises. Optimal meaning whatever is going to get me to the goal that I'm looking for and not sacrifice any of these positions. So that may not be a full range of motion on everything, but we want to make sure we're getting through optimal range of motion. These come first. I never sacrifice any of these three things in order to take on this next section. So next up, we've got speed. Now I want to make sure that you're executing the full movement in the right speed so that we get to the adaptation that we're looking for. Then I'll start to add load. I'll start to get you up to the load, again, in line with the goal of that exercise or that movement that's going to get the desired result or adaptation that we're training for. And then from there, I'll start to add volume, whether that's more sets or more reps. I'll continue to add volume so that we can add more and more training effect or more training load to get you to your goal. These three are my top priority always. As you add these things will significantly add stress to the movement. So posture, joint positions, and range of motion can really start to break down when we add any one of these. Depending on the movement, I might switch these order on the bottom, but I always make sure these ones come first. So I want to make sure as I add speed, load, or volume, I'm never sacrificing range of motion, joint positions, or posture. Thanks for checking it out.